All right, guys, it's time to roll. Yeah, got cracked early, like I said on my post. I just in a slump. I just can't keep it green. Oh boy, what are you gonna do? Anyway, I'm not really that bummed, guys. This is what it is. I just don't have it anymore. I just come out here. If I go a couple of rounds, I look like I won the race as far as I'm concerned. I just can't put it together anymore. I guess it's just my age. Anyway, got everything packed up. I hate to leave my nice shady spot. Let me back up a little bit. Just a nice shady spot with the trees. This is just a really nice spot. But I guess I'd rather be in a bad spot and still be in. But what are you going to do? Anyway, we're almost packed up, ready to go. And I don't know what I'll talk about on the way back. I'm a little bummed, but not really. It's just like, it's kind of more embarrassing than anything. I just can't keep it together. I swear I was green, but 22 red, damn. 003 on the time shot. I swear I hit it the exact same spot. I know that's cutting it close, but I don't like to back off. But yeah, I don't want to talk about me, guys. So let's talk about the race and how many cars were here, and still had a good time, you know. And yeah, so let's get back in the truck. I got a couple more things to do, and when I kind of pull out, I'll put the camera back on. Okay, guys. Yeah, like I said outside, I got cracked. I got my tail between my legs, and I'm rolling home. I know it's early, guys, but you know, I got a lot more content, you know, photos and everything for you guys. When I get home, I'll either have them tonight or tomorrow. I'll have photos of the race, and I don't know. This old man just doesn't have it anymore. But it's okay, guys. I'm really not that bummed. Like I said, I'm more embarrassed. I just want to put a decent run together. If I win, I win. I lose, I lose. But just to give it away, I just didn't feel I hit it that hard, but I did. I don't know, guys. So enough about me. This race, well, we're going to talk about this race a little bit. Oh, this is just great. I love when you can just get in and out with no issues. I just absolutely love it. Don't want to block any of these guys. So let these guys go. If any guys are coming up, but you guys will get to see the track when it's kind of crowded. So, you know, good luck to Ronnie Urquhart next round. I don't know who he's got, but this is what the track looks like. I didn't say goodbye to Lenny. I should have said goodbye to Lenny, but we did talk in the lanes. I said I'd stop by, but I just want to hit the road, you know. Yeah, I just want to hit the road. But yeah, this is what the Go, 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 go. Want to get Lenny to get around. A little crazy here. Anthony Fetch. See if I can get out of here. Stop blocking everybody. I don't want to block anybody that I don't... you know, these guys want to get back to their pits. But once we get up here, so yeah. So guys, to my left is the pros. To the right are the sportsman guys. They got the pros locked in here tight. The sportsmen, you got plenty of room to park. It was really a nice, easy race to park. As you can see, the pros are just jammed in here. And it's only a 2-day race. They didn't race today, guys. If I didn't tell you that, it's a 2-day deal. And only Pro Mod ran today. And that was Cynthia, Sterling Simmons' wife, and Ronnie was parked next to him. But like I said, I just want to go. I just don't feel like I don't feel like staying. Tomorrow's gonna be really hot. Today the weather wasn't really bad. Today the weather was kind of nice. It was. Let's see one of these gates open. Hopefully, yeah. Okay. The weather was pretty nice. I think it went up to like 87. But it's supposed to get hotter each day. And that's it. That's it, guys. This is, I got Pro Mod up there again. This is Virginia Motorsports Park. And I'm out of here. Don't know what that beep was, but who knows? I don't know what that beep was. As far as fans concerned, I didn't see a lot of fans in the stands today because it was just sportsman racing. We didn't have any. We just had the pro mods, which they're pretty exciting. But I'm sure the fans will come in. This is a good market for racing, for fans, I think. Anyway, for bringing in stock and super stock, not many. So it wound up being 38 super stockers, 43 stockers, 18 top dragsters, 38 super comp. And I think there was 40 something. I'm not sure. 40 something. What's going on here? Oh, I'm not going that lane. I guess that's for tomorrow. Who knows? I don't care. Nobody coming in right now. 40 something super gas cars, which super gas had the most. I think super gas had the most, or close to the most. Go figure. And I'm sure everybody's having a great time in Norwalk. I don't know what the weather's like up there, but I know the rains came through already, so they're probably having a good time. I'm going to finish this up tonight. I'll do some more reports. Hope you guys had a good time. It's kind of a truncated, meaning it's a short race. I've been here a while, but it's just a short race. I think it's a good race. I'm surprised people don't come down here more, but just like I said, it doesn't seem to bring cars in here. Even at the division race, you just don't seem to get a lot. So. And there it is, Virginia Motorsports Park. Like I said, guys, I like this track. I like this track. Car was running, and another thing, the car was, on that run, I was going dead on, or maybe a couple thou under. I mean, the car was right there. The car's been running really, really good. The driver, I don't have to worry about ever wearing this car out because I just don't go any rounds. And I'm laughing, guys. Like I said, I'm not really bummed. Like I said, it's just more of an embarrassment that I can't put a decent package together. If Ronnie beats me, he beats me. But just to go red again, I just can't. I did win one round in Bristol, but this year has been just absolutely just a nightmare for me. So, but after about 20 minutes into the run, I'll be forgetting about it. I'll just think of something to say once we get on the highway. So I'll be back in a little bit, guys. Yeah, I'll be back. All right, guys, we are back, and we're about halfway home, and smooth sailing. No Muppets on the road. I'm getting tired of saying that. Well, I'll never get tired of saying that. But now we're about, about an hour into the trip. About a half hour into the trip, I pretty much forgot all about the last race. About going out first round. There's always another one. Week and a half, we'll be heading down to Valdosta to finish Bristol and have the double, the Sport Nationals, blah, blah, blah. There's always another race. I don't dwell on losing a race too long. It is what it is. Just move on. I'm just rolling down the road, enjoying myself. It's quiet. The road is quiet. I'm blessed. I was just talking to a gentleman that just stopped by. I think two people stopped by this weekend. I just can't remember, but I know I was giving out some T-shirts, guys. You just stop by, and if I have your size, I give away T-shirts, guys. Just stop by and say hello. And and they were mentioning one thing I used to say, or I do say a lot, is that, Ken, you always say it, we get to do this stuff, and you're right. I'm going to bitch about going out first round when I got some nice equipment, and I got to hold 1 second, guys. I have to see. Yeah, I'm a motorcycle guy at heart, and I love sport bikes. I just love sport bikes, and I know that I shouldn't be riding those crotch rockets, but I love those bikes. I wish I was riding right now. Anyway, I'm blessed, and we get to do this stuff. No complaints. There's always another race. It doesn't last long. It is what it is. Maybe I'll get some breaks and I'll go a couple of rounds in another race. Who knows? But I'm in a good mood. The road is nice. It's such a pleasure to ride down the highway when there's just no traffic. Like now, if I'm leaving Virginia and going back to New Jersey, oh my God, that would be the absolute. I would not be happy going back. Just 95 is a drag between Richmond and Baltimore. Richmond and Washington was terrible. This is just so nice and peaceful. Even after Washington, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. You just never know. The roads aren't the best. This is, I tell you, I'm just totally blessed. I mean, I don't know what else to talk about, guys. I always say that. But I am. I'm blessed, guys. You know, I appreciate people come up to me all the time at the track. I love the videos. I love you going down the road, even when nothing's happening. Like, everything is just so quiet. I've had nobody cut me off. Nobody's done anything stupid. Well, one tractor trailer was slowed down to about 60, and then when I tried to pass him, he sped up, but I guess he must have been on the phone or doing something, but that was fine. No big deal otherwise. It's just been a nice, smooth ride, and I'm happy, guys. I'm just as happy as can be. I don't know how a lot of these racers feel when they lose, how bummed they get. You know, after about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, maybe sometimes sooner, I'm over it. I'm just happy I'm in my rig. I got a nice operation. Like I said, I'm blessed. I may not be the richest guy in the world, but I sure as hell feel like it. I really do. Especially when you guys come up to me and just, I know this is I think this is corny what I do, but I appreciate you guys appreciate that what I do. And I never ride with anybody, even when I'm, following somebody. Nobody's ever in the motorhome with me. Very rare. I don't think I've ever done a video with somebody sitting next to me. And I feel like I'm taking you guys along. I feel like you're with me. I get the bullshit. It's just it's the best. Absolutely the best. In the type of job I have, I don't have to have it doing 9 to 5. So yeah. So right now the sun's going down. It's 84 degrees. It's just a typical summer day. It's not too hot. Tomorrow's supposed to be hot. But you know what? Dan Fletcher will be racing tomorrow. And because he's still in. I don't know if he's still in super stock. I don't know. But I know he's still in stock. And I'm going to be, I park my rig at Dan's house. And where I'm going to be in his beautiful pool. I'll be hanging out with the wife, Deanna, Taylor, and the kids. And I'll just be enjoying myself in the pool. So how good does that get it? How good does it get? And Dan will be, well, hopefully he'll go rounds. And I'll be just chilling at the pool. So life is good. All right, guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the camera back on. So a gentleman asked me that, how do you back that thing in to where my spot was? I said, it's pretty easy. I just kind of drive at the road that when you guys see me go out, there's a road, an access road for a couple of houses. It's not like a regular street. It's a dead end, but it's a nice road. If we turn in and then we back up straight, and it's really easy. It's a piece of cake. So what I'll do is I'll turn the camera back on when I'm real close, show you how I go in, back up. It's really easy deal. It's just like I said, all I can say is life is easy for me, and it's just too easy. I'm waiting for that catastrophic thing to happen to me, because just life is just. Like I said, I'm blessed, and I thank the Lord every day that I get up, that I have what I have, and I have the friends that I have, and life is good. Life is good. Don't want to get too sentimental, but all right, guys, we'll be back when I get real close to the house, and I'll show you how I back in. And I don't think I've ever done it that way. I might have done it, but who knows? We'll do it again, and I'll speed it up at some parts, because I gotta drive slow, because it is a bunch of trees and stuff in there. But it's daytime, so it'll be pretty easy. So, all right, guys, I'll be back. All right, guys, so we're here, and I usually get into this lane, put my flashes on just in case any rigs are coming up. I think the gate's closed, so I'll have to run out real quick, get the gate open. As you can see, I'll make a right in here, and then back straight in. Yeah, and I'll be right back. Say hello to the camera. Hello, camera. Okay, guys, so we'll probably, once I get into this turn, I gotta take it wide because I got the garbage out there. I'll kind of speed it up a little bit because I gotta go real slow. The street is usually quiet, My luck, one day, the guy's gonna be flying down here. Just try to get it nice and straight. And let's back it up. Uh-oh. I mean, I opened the door for a second, and there's a bee in here already. Come on. All right, guys. So we're here. Man, I don't know if that camera will pick it up, but that fly, I thought it was a bee, is huge. I had the door open for like 2 minutes. But, so that's the spot. We're in, we're out. And back where we started from. All right, guys, that's it for now. 2 weeks, we'll be down at Valdosta. We'll do this all over again. I hope you enjoyed the ride. All right, guys, later.